welcome back to Sana's channel, and this is me, Samya. So today guys, we are going to my brother's school, that is Madanrting Presbyterian, as they're having a function, that is 40 years function on their school. So me and my mother are gonna go to my brother's school. So we're gonna go now and see you. Bye bye. We're here in the place where there's gonna be so pretty, so beautiful. There's people, so many right now. There's some here people also. That gate, see, so cute.
It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this very special occasion, the Thanksgiving function of our school, as we celebrate 4 decades.
I request the President, the members of our idol, to drape the chief guest with a reindeer. And the Secretary of the School Managing Committee, the members are open left to present our chief guest with a memento. All right, thank you.
Of the 40 years milestone celebration of Madanrting Presbyterian Higher Secondary. Respected President, the members or Elder Iron, Principal.
Wow, here witnessing the performance of your dear children, and
The first daughter, Goneril, was married to Albany. His second daughter, Regan, was married to Cornwall. And his youngest daughter, Cordelia, who was his most favorite among them all, was not married yet.
Kingdom? Oh, so the words are spreading fast, I guess. Yes, King Lear is retiring. He is distributing the land to his daughters. I agree with you. It is about time he retires.
Come forward, my first daughter, Gondrel. Tell me how much you love me.
Oh my king, I love you more than anyone's will. I feel the same as my duty, my dignity, my health, my belonging. No words can describe my love to you.
Very well. I will give you this one land. It will belong to your little family. It's time for you to talk, Reagan.
Sir, my sister did not say enough. My world revolves around you, and I only feel happy when I am with you. That explains how much I loved you.
Well done, Reagan. You can now own a third part of our kingdom. Now shall I hear from my dearest Cordelia. Speak up, darling.
Oh my lord, I can say nothing fancy.
Nothing at all.
Nothing.
Sad, my Cordelia. Come with me. I will treasure you and cherish you till the day I die.
Cordelia approaches her sister and said, I know about your plans, but just take care of my father. Sure, we know what we are doing. Both of you are very cunning. Hide your faults as much as you can, not until people...
Oh, you betrayers, traitors, now she is gone forever. A plague upon you. I might have saved her.
Demonstrating the possibility of redemption and personal growth. His story teaches us to value honesty, compassion, and
memorable occasion of 40 years celebration of our school. As William Arthur Ward rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it.
Now it's the end of the program, and it was program for taking now pictures and all. So now they're gonna give us some refreshments, and then stay tuned. Hi, Ma. We've got the refreshments. So now we're gonna leave first because we're late. Okay, bye.